G'day, got a heavy duty shower here. Lots of soap scum on it. Corners, they're all pretty bad. We've got coloured grout. These tiles are covered in soap scum. We're going to deal with this area up here. That's the shower. And I'll show you a couple of tricks. Alright, so we've got a whole lot of soap scum. I'm not a big fan of scrubbing. I've seen people use scrapers before, but the reality is it does scratch the glass. They're really minute, but it does happen. But I found this little thing. It's plastic, so it's not going to scratch anything. Sometimes if you get a really heavy duty shower, it's a good idea before you spray anything just to scrape off the stuff. It's pretty crazy. This is a mold killer that you get in the supermarket, right? Really, it's just like using chlorine. It's powerful stuff, it's horrible. The most important thing when using these is ventilation. Open up the window, which I've already done. Keep the door open, get the airflow through the place. I would not recommend this on a regular basis. There's no real mold in the shower. I'm really using it to get rid of colour. The main thing we'll be using today will be shower power gel. Just squirts on. Really good for cutting through soap scum. We've just got to spread it around. Now to do that, use a non-scratch scourer. Just do it with a little bit of force. It'll just start that cleaning action for you. Oh, that mold killer sucks. I'm just going to scrub the grout now and use a toothbrush to get into the gaps. See here? It's just scale. Use a screwdriver or a butter knife. Really lightly, otherwise you'll scratch the chrome and we don't want to. And it comes off very easily. Okay, so that's that side. Oh, that's better. Toothbrush done, and we'll just get the scrubbing. Always wet the brush for this, just works better. You can see the yellow going. Now don't forget to do the grout on the floor tiles. I've got a scrubber now. I'm going to take the glass and the tiles. I'm going to really get stuck into the soap scum. You're going to have to use elbow grease here. Nothing's magic, it's going to get rid of soap scum immediately. It always takes elbow grease, but this makes it easy. Go in all directions, up and down, side to side, and turn it. I'm going to do the outside glass. It's better to use a cloth for this because what you're actually doing is you're feeling what's on there. Squeeze it off. Whenever you're doing this, always dry. I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to use a bucket. I'm going to use this brush too. Just give that little bit extra while I'm rinsing it. Then I'm going to squeeze it off and dry it. Let's see how it looks. Don't do this bare feet, you'll slide everywhere. I do like to dry the glass first, otherwise towels get a bit wet. Then the chrome and the tiles. That's it. I think it's worked out alright.
I'd love you to join me on this journey. Just tap on that face with the green circle to subscribe. That way, when you need good cleaning advice, it'll be easy to find. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.